So, hey, okay, so I'm going to show you how you can edit your page. Uh, so, I'm just going to the landing page. At first, you will open the landing page. I think this one. Okay, so you will open this by using Elementor. So, you have to click on the modifier ABC Elementor. Then you can see it will open by Elementor. Okay, so let's see it's opening. Okay, yeah, let's open. What's the matter? Okay, let me reload it. Okay, okay, I'll back after when you complete the loading. Okay, so I just pause for a few seconds. So okay, I'm back. So let's see how you can edit everything. Okay, so at first, if you want to change your logo, just click on the logo. Okay, then you can change this logo by clicking here. Okay, just click on it, then you can see the upload options. Okay, just when you click on it, then your computer for folder is open, and then you can choose any images from your PC. Then you can easily upload in here. Okay, so this is for the logo. You can change the site URL. I think not need to change this URL because logo is always goes to site URL. Okay, and here is the menu. You can see when you click on it, then you can see the options and the left sidebar of Elementor. Just click on content style and advanced options. Then you can change just anything, whatever you like. Okay, when you click on style, then you can see the styles of the menus. Okay, and you can edit. You can change the style from this tab. Okay, I think you have a little bit idea about Elementor. That's why I'm trying to first showing you everything. For this button, I think you have main problem of the button background. Okay, so for this button, just you can see the column selector. Just click on the column, then you can see modify column and go to the style. Then you can see the image. It's a background image in the column. That's why you can change the column image from here. Okay, same thing goes for the contact button. Okay, when you click on the columns and select the column, then you can change from style tab the background image. Okay, and for this button, these two is similar, but this one is different. Okay, so when you click on it, you can see that modifier options and Elementor. Just you will go to the advanced tab, then you can see let you can see here is the background. I think it's a little bit complicated for me to your language, to know your language. Yeah, this one. So this is the background. Okay, let me change it to English. Okay, you can see when you select the button, then you can see the image. Then you have to go the advanced tab, and then the background options. Okay, and you can see the background shape on here. Just click on it, then you can change the similar way of image how you can add. Okay, and for this one, you can change the title, and here you can change the text. Okay, and this is an image. I use a dummy image for because you have only two images, that's why I use here your one image. Okay, and those all are very similar. Just yeah, uh, every element is similar to changes. Okay, just you have to click which element you want to change. Okay, just you have to click on it. Okay, like I want to change this image, just I have to click on it, then I can see the changing option and left bar of Elementor. And for the next, the countdown timer. Okay, you can, when you click on it, then you can see the changing options. Similar goes to for the trees. Okay, and you can also add any margin padding from advanced tab. For same thing for these sections, similar for the previous learn more button, you have to go advanced tab, then background, then you can change the background picture on here, from here. Okay, for these options you can see the bonus clarify. Okay, you have to click on it, then you can see the changes. Sorry, advance and background. Okay, similar for this. So you have to select the background picture from here. Okay, then you can change any position, like x-axis. You want to move this shape a little bit right. That's why you have to increase field pixels. Okay, like this. Okay, then I think you can see it's going to x-axis. Okay, so this one, and if you want to y-axis, I mean top and bottom, then you can move it right. I think you can see this. Okay, this way. This is the this is the shape. Okay, it's working perfectly. Okay, so you can change any position by using the x position and y position. Okay, of the shape. Same thing for this take quiz button. You can change this button background from the background. Okay, also if you want to uh, change the text, you have to click on it and content, then you can change the text from here. I think you can see the background shape. This one, talking about the light blue shape. You have to change this shape. If you want to change this shape, you have to click on the column select options, then you have to go the cell styles. You can see the shape is here. Okay, So you can change this shape similar way of buttons, okay, and background. For this one you have to if you want to change this background, I mean the book, maybe it's a book, so this book background, you have to select this section, I mean intersection. So yeah, you have to select the intersection, then you have to go to the style tab, then you can see the picture on here. You will just upload this, and you will use your position whatever you want, okay. So similar, this is a simple image, okay. You just if you want to change this image, just select on it for by clicking, okay. Then it's a heading similar for this. Yeah, you can change this from style tab, everything, okay. This one, the every button is similar way to change the background. This one, okay, for this. And this is a media carousel, okay, I mean image carousel. You can edit the carousel image from here, like you don't need to add this image in your carousel. So just click on the cross button, and you can see it will hide from the gallery, okay. And you also add similar way. You can see the add to gallery, just click on it and select file from your computer. Same thing for this one, and this one, okay. This is an image, okay, this is an image. You just click on it, then you can change the image. Same thing for testimonials and this one, both are similar, okay. And you can change this image, it's your image maybe. And if you want to change this back this hello Moikest, I don't know the language. So this name, if you want to change this shape, just you have to click on the column section, then click on style, and you can see the picture. So there is the 2 or 3 way for changes. One is you have to select the whole section, then style, then you can see if there is any shape or any background image, you can change this. Another is you have to select the modify column section, then you have to go the style tab, then you can change this. And for the button, you have to go advanced tab and background, then you can change this one, okay. For this similar for these fours, you have to select this one, and you can change the background shape by clicking here, okay. This 4 are each and every inner section, so you have to select the modify section, okay. Same thing. And this one was a dynamic options. So how you can use the dynamic content, like you don't need this one because it's a not dynamic, it's also dynamic, but we will use our wait, okay. So for your as for the design which I recently make for the post section, if you want to use this template, you have to add a section on here, okay, like this. And just click on it, then you have to go the posts. What is the post? Yeah, here is, you can see the posts. So just drag and drop here, and you can see the post is here, okay. So if you want to use my design, you have to click the dressing classic to customs, okay. You can see when you click on custom, you can see a default template. This is a block loop which I made for the blog post. Okay, when you click on the blog loop, you can see the blog is automatically come into here. Okay, this one, this blog. Okay, and you can see here is three column. You can add it 4, 1, 2, whatever you want. You can see post per page. Here is 6. If you want, you can increase or decrease the post per page. I make it 3 so you can see the three, only the 3 blog in the sections. Okay, this 3 is dynamic and this 3 is static. Okay, so query, you can also change the query as per your requirements. Paginations, if you want, you can use any paginations like load more for customer skin. If you don't load more, you just you can use the number previous and next. Let's see what loop it's. You can see the previous 1, 2, 3, 4 next. Okay, if you do not want to use, just hide it. Okay, done. Okay, so when you published a post from your dashboard, I mean from your backend, it will automatically generate and then it will automatically show on your front end, I mean here. Okay, and here always show the latest uh, 3 posts, because I add here only 3 posts. Okay, so this one, and for this sections is similar. To change the background, this is a simple image, this is also the simple image. I use only the margin, minus margin for move it to up, and this is the very simple way it goes. So I think everything is perfect. If you want to know more about my design, or if you have any question, you will text me anytime. Okay, no problem. I think everything is okay. So thank you for now. Bye bye, have a good day.